I will show how to buy shares of Lumen Technologies Inc., a telecommunications and network services company focused on fiber, edge cloud, and enterprise networking, trading on NASDAQ under the ticker LUMN. You need a broker to buy shares, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds to place trades. Use the platform search box and type the ticker LUMN to find Lumen Technologies Inc. Then select the NASDAQ listed entry to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information, and the price chart to confirm this is Lumen Technologies Inc., checking the ticker LUMN and the company description before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details and fees, then confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued for the next session, and if your funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Your new position will appear in your portfolio overview once executed. For the same example, link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow along.